Okay, so we have a headlight restoration going on. At the moment, that's been dry sanded just with 400 to really get a lot of the contaminant off. So this headlight did have some pretty deep burning marks where someone's tried to heat it at one point unsuccessfully. So now we're just going to wet sand it. So this is 600. It's just a buzz pad, 600 wet and dry buzz pad. It's a bit hard to see, but you can see the difference. You can see all the sanding marks. It's quite coarse. It's a lot finer. Okay, part of prep. So this is sanded back with the 600 wet now. And then I've sprayed just an isopropyl alcohol on it, which can be wiped off to remove all the residue. Now this won't give you an indication, as it will on a lot of painted surfaces, as to the finish, because it being a clear, the clear will bond into all the little low spots. So I'll give this an air dusting, dry it right off, and then spray some clear on it. Okay, so just using the air gun, pulling the trigger lightly. So a spray gun can be used as an air gun. Just a smaller pull of the trigger. If you pull the trigger further, that's when the paint comes out. So we're all good to paint. So 2 coats, dust on the first coat. You can already see the difference there. Hazy, so these spots aren't going to come up. Unfortunately, the plastic's just too damaged. We'll let this flash off and then come back for the next coat. Okay, second coat, it's had time to flash off. Put it on fairly thick. It does have like a hazy sort of look, and that will clear out as it dries. But you can see the difference. So these marks here, they're not going to come out. It is significantly better than what it was. If you put it on too thick, you will get runs, and you'll get solvent boil. You'll end up with little pinholes everywhere, where it's trying to boil off as it dries. That's it, and paint a good quality 2K clear over the top. You can end up with a pretty good finish. The 2K clear will make the headlight last a lot longer. So it shouldn't need sanding or restoration again for several years. This is off an RX-8. And these are off a VE Commodore. Okay, headlights reinstalled. Nice and glossy. Transparent. Pretty simple, will make a big difference.